Jenna, the author. Lily is in kindergarten. She likes to play Wii. Her favorite food is apples. She likes to read about fairies.
The cat lost her strength. By Lily Marcel. The cat lost her strength. By Lily Marcel. Dedicated to my family. The cat lost her strength. The cat asked the butterfly for help. The cat asked, "Do you have my strength?" "No," said the butterfly. "No," the butterfly said, "but I'll help you. I'll help find your strength." Then the cat and the butterfly went to ask God for help. I will find your strength, said the dog. The dog was in